welcome to Asasiba, a podcast that honors oral tradition and shines light on Ghanaian cultures and stories that are often untold or silenced. My name is Michelle, and I'm your host, and my pronouns are she and her. All right, so welcome back, guys. It's been a minute. So it's been a year since the last season. Season 1 ended around in September of last year, and I'm back with season 2 officially. I'm definitely so happy to be back for season 2. I guess just from season 1 to season 2, I definitely needed that break. I'm producing, interviewing, editing, all of that. I'm a one-person team here, no conglomerate behind me. So it was definitely awesome to take that break. So yeah, season 2 is dropping very soon. And before I tell you all about season 2, just wanted to say, if you like this podcast, if you enjoy it, first of all, go listen to season 1 if you haven't already. It was such an amazing time interviewing all the different guests and talking about a wide range of topics, talking to different queer people, talking about traditional religions, talking about mental health, and also getting the stories of our elders. It was very nice. It was just like a medley and mix of different stories and themes and experiences for season 1. So now with season 2, it's going to be a little bit different. But before I talk about that, I wanted to say sharing goes a long way. If you're enjoying Asasiba and you know someone who will love it, please share, subscribe to the podcast wherever you're listening. Asasiba is available on most, pretty much all podcast platforms. So Apple, the Purple app, if you have an iPhone, the Purple app on there, Spotify, Google, YouTube, that's a new one. It's now officially on YouTube. And wherever you listen to podcasts, it's there. Just type in Asasiba, you'll find it pretty much everywhere. So subscribe, first of all. And also, once you subscribe, share with your sister, your brother, your mother, your father, your auntie, your cousin, your friends. Share the podcast, trying to grow this community, right? So please share, and sharing just goes such a long way. You can also follow the Twitter page of Asasiba. It's at Asasiba Pod. So ASASEBAPOD. So Asasiba Pod on Twitter and also on Instagram, though Instagram is fairly new, not that active yet, but still follow on there, and I'll probably start sharing more stuff on there. Also, when you're sharing on social media, use the hashtag AsasibaPod to let other people know that you're listening, and to let me know that you're listening, and just so, get that word around. And don't keep it to yourself, if you hear something that you're really interested in, hashtag AsasibaPod, let other people know it, and just spread the word. Now, on to the meat and potatoes of this trailer. This is just going to be a little bite-sized preview of what's to come in season 2. So season 2 is all about the elders. How can I honor the oral tradition or legacy of oral tradition without talking to the elders? For season 2, have interviewed elders and older adults in the community. And I just think it's so important to learn from our elders and learn from our past, and, just apply it to the present day and use it to inform our future, right? And I just really want to hold space for elders just to talk about their stories, especially in this new medium of podcasting, and in this relatively new technology space. We still need the elders there, So I thought it was very important to shine a light on their stories and their experiences. So this season 2, will feature interviews with elders about their own personal stories and also just like wisdom they have for the youth. And it's going to be primarily women because I want to prioritize the voices of Ghanaian women because sometimes it's not heard, So I just really wanted to prioritize that. And this season, the interviews were so cool to have. And it's like a different vibe, like talking to the elders and hearing about their experiences. And it's like, I learned a lot, and I'm sure you will too. And it's just so great, So anyways, yeah, so season 2 will be dropping very, very soon. So just wanted to release this tidbit so that you can get a sneak peek into what to expect. So stay subscribed, share the podcast, share all the links, and hashtag AsaseBaPod, and I will be back very, very soon. So thank you for listening, and see you next time.